Welcome to the battery shop. Today we'll show you how to replace the main starting battery and the auxiliary battery in this 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It is somewhat of a difficult install as the starting battery is under the driver's seat, the auxiliary is then under the passenger seat. Let's get started.
First, adjust the driver's seat and passenger seat by moving them all the way forward and all the way up. This will help you gain access to the main starting battery and the auxiliary battery. Next, remove the floor mat from behind the driver's seat and then loosen and remove the plastic covering and air duct to expose the battery. Next, disconnect the intelligent battery sensor wire harness connector. Then press and release the negative battery cable. Then, using your 10mm wrench, remove the ground terminal nut and isolate the auxiliary negative battery cable and set it aside. In this step, you are disconnecting the auxiliary battery from the main 12-volt battery. Then, moving to the passenger side of the vehicle, pull back the floor mat behind the passenger seat. Then remove the plastic cover and air duct to expose the auxiliary battery. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen and remove the fastener for the negative battery cable. Remove the negative battery cable and set it off to the side. Then, loosen and remove the fastener for the positive battery cable. Remove the cable and set it off to the side. In the next step, loosen and remove the fastener and hold down bracket. Next, remove the vent tube and then remove the battery from the vehicle. Once the auxiliary battery has been removed, return to the driver's side of the vehicle. Loosen the fastener with your 10mm wrench for the negative battery cable assembly. Then remove the assembly and set it off to the side. Right next to the negative cable is the vent tube. Carefully remove the vent tube and set it off to the side. Then, loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable, remove the positive battery cable, and set it off to the side. Next, using your 13mm socket and extension, loosen and remove the fasteners for the hold-down bracket and remove the bracket. Now you can remove the old battery and install the new battery. Next, reinstall the positive battery cable on the battery's positive terminal and tighten its fastener. Then install the hold-down bracket and carefully install and tighten both fasteners. Once the positive battery cable is installed on the main 12-volt battery and the hold down secured, move back to the passenger side and install the new auxiliary battery. Then install the auxiliary battery's hold down bracket and tighten its fastener. Then install the positive battery cable on the battery's positive terminal and tighten its fastener, followed by installing the negative battery cable on the battery's negative terminal and tighten its fastener. Then install the auxiliary battery's vent tube. Then reinstall the plastic covering, air duct, and floor mat. Now that the auxiliary battery is reinstalled, move back to the driver's side and connect the main 12-volt battery negative cable assembly and tighten the fastener. Then reinstall the auxiliary battery's negative cable and tighten the fastener. Next, reinstall the negative battery cable, followed by the installation of the intelligent battery sensor. Then reinstall the battery's vent tube. Finally, reinstall the plastic covering, air duct, and floor mat.